Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. Cryptomaniac 101 here on Twitter posting this. I'm not saying anything, just sharing, but he is saying something here. I mean, this is the XRP chart, and what he's saying is it's looking like it is forming an epic triangular formation since about 2017, during the time that XRP reached its all-time high. So, it is interesting because we've taken a look at some chart patterns over the last couple of days and noticed some similar things, XRP to get up past all-time high in hopefully the coming months. I mean, that is still the most difficult thing to predict, the timeline. So today we're going to look at another factor here, guys, that I think really does support, some of these claims, some of these price predictions that we could in fact see for XRP. First, I just wanted to get into some of the latest news here, guys. For example, the XRP ledger is now supporting FIO-SEN. This coming from Ian Binns here on Twitter. So what does this mean, you ask? With new functions, sending XRP cryptocurrency to counterparties becomes easier than ever before. The new function is designed to streamline payments in retail and prevent users' funds from ending up in the wrong hands. So we've been hearing about, a lot of fraud, not just for XRP, but just in general in the crypto space. Well, this new feature, guys, according to the official announcement shared by the team of XRP Toolkit and Digital Identity Management Solutions for FIO protocol, users of XRP Toolkit can now use FIO senless aliases. And so they tweeted this out, XRP Toolkit did, just kind of demonstrating how you can do this. This update was activated today, which was in fact yesterday, March the 1st. So now XRP holders can replace public addresses of their wallets with human readable names. FIO protocol will be responsible for the matching of an XRPL address and the human readable name of its user. This integration advances the usability and accessibility of XRP and other crypto on the XRP ledger. So this is the latest update here, obviously to prevent fraud. I mean, these addresses have always been very cumbersome and very tricky to decipher, especially if you're wanting to transfer something quickly. And this is how hackers tend to steal one's XRP. Most of the time, people are not checking their addresses, and so this new feature is allowing for human readable addresses to make it easier to prevent fraud. So some interesting news there, and another great update on the XRP ledger. I wanted to thank Ian for posting that. And speaking of fraud, another one here from Ian Binns. Official Twitter account of Indian state governor hacked to promote an XRP scam. So this is the exact reason why we need FIO. After Robinhood and Azuki, an account of an Indian government official became the target of hackers trying to push their cryptocurrency scam. The official account of the residency of the governor of the Indian state, Madhya Pradesh, has been seemingly hacked in order to promote a cryptocurrency-related scam. Based on the account's activity, the hack occurred on February the 28th, around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and obviously these guys trying to promote Ripple and XRP using Brad Garlinghouse's face here, breaking news, crypto event. So guys, just again, be careful if you are seeing this because they are getting really, really crafty, hacking people's Twitter accounts, high-profile Twitter accounts, to promote these things. XRP double-event.net, obviously not a real Ripple affiliated website, but this kind of thing is happening all the time. And, this is the reason why we need, updates like this, the FIO protocol. Hackers are not letting up. And I think getting into the next bull run, we are going to see this more and more. So just be prudent, keep your cryptocurrency safe. As I always like to say, keep it on a cold storage solution like a Ledger Nano or something similar. And again, I do have an affiliate link. If you guys are still looking for a Ledger Nano, you can use it if you want. You don't have to use it. Just letting you know that it is there if you guys are ready to purchase one, and maybe if you've been sitting on the sidelines for a while. Moving along though, this from XRP Crypto Wolf. XRP surpasses 4.6 million total wallet addresses. So this just in, Crypto Data Library Mazari has reported metrics showing the addresses currently holding the digital asset for the better part of 2 years. Ripple and the SEC obviously have been engaged in a vital legal conflict. Moreover, though, the recent development suggests that the ongoing dispute could come to an end fairly soon while the native token reaches its milestone, guys, 4.6 million addresses. That is quite a lot. However, not nearly as much as there are people in the world. I mean, let's just assume we're roughly at 7.9 billion people on planet Earth. 7.9, not million, billion people. So, you multiply that by 100, and we are still under 1% of people who hold XRP. And also, let's not forget that, a lot of these addresses are duplicates. I know me personally, I have at least 4 or 5 different XRP addresses where I currently hold XRP. So that number is likely a lot lower. Moreover, data published by Messari has shown the asset has been acquired by over 38,000 active addresses just in the past 24 hours. So we are seeing a lot of XRP activity, despite the fact that price is still at about 37.7. But guys, we're ready to explode anytime now. I have a feeling the SEC lawsuit's coming to a close. The crypto bull run is starting yet again. It's going to take some time. I think we're going to feel it in little increments over the next few months. But then, once the excitement really kicks in, we are really going to start to see money flow back into the space. So great news here. Wanted to thank XRP Crypto Wolf for posting that. Also just saw this update too from the Wrath of Kahneman. Fluff World is piloting with Spotify. Now, if you guys remember, Fluff and Ripple did announce a partnership back a few months ago. This was from June. And back then, Ripple and Fluff World, a pioneer in 3D-enabled content-rich NFT collections and experiences, announced an unprecedented partnership to bring to life the open metaverse via the new decentralized blockchain network, the Root Network. So that was the news back in June of 2022. Well, now Fluff is partnering with Spotify. They just posted this a couple of days ago. We got exciting news. Fluffle, music is vital to us, and we're proud to announce Spotify has chosen Fluff World to take part in an exclusive new pilot. We're now offering exclusive token-gated playlists to Fluff World asset holders, each themed on a different collection. So if you guys want to check that out, I will leave this link in the description of the video. Another great update here, providing more value to the XRP ledger. So I wanted to thank Wrath of Kahneman for posting that. I also happen to see this with regards to Ripple partner WorldPay. Them and GoDaddy are teaming up for omni-commerce. As consumers move more regularly between online and in the store, small businesses need the latest tools to provide the same type of shopping experiences seen at big brand companies. To make payments simple and provide small businesses with an easy-to-use portal to manage their website, inventory, and marketing efforts, GoDaddy, the domain provider, and WorldPay, Ripple partner, have teamed up to launch Commerce 360, an omni-channel solution tailored to meet all the needs of these small businesses. So again, a one-stop shop for small businesses, obviously benefiting from technologies like the XRP ledger. So Commerce 360 is an all-in-one omni-channel solution that allows small businesses to accept payments in any channel. With a customer-curated website and merchant dashboard, small retailers will be able to sell on the go at events through online marketplaces as well through social media. Its efficient setup will also allow merchants to be up and running quickly. And here's a quote, guys: small businesses serve as the cornerstones of our community and the engine that powers our economy. This coming from Christina Wagner, SVP of WorldPay. It is our passion and purpose to enable businesses to thrive by providing holistic solutions and evolving beyond payments. Our Commerce 360 solution helps small business owners sell more in store, online, and anywhere in between, while giving them real-time insights that help create superior customer experiences. So another great partnership here with GoDaddy and Ripple partner WorldPay. Again, providing small businesses with these types of opportunities. The one-stop shop. This has been a pain point in the past, but obviously enter DLT technology, and obviously these companies are getting ready to pounce, acquire new customers. The legislation is coming out very, very soon. So everybody is gearing up, ready to go, ready to streamline their payment processes on a new financial standard. So great news here from Ripple partner WorldPay. I also happen to see this from the OKX exchange. Ripple's XRP is now the 4th coin to be added to OKX dual investment. Some more information here on how to do that. I don't know. I guess it is available in some countries, but not available in every country. However, we're excited to announce that XRP will be listed on dual investment and is open for subscription as of February the 28th. So they just opened this up a couple of days ago. And so it gives you guys some details on how to do that, a step-by-step on how you can subscribe. So up here, how to subscribe on OKX Web, growth dual investment, and also how to subscribe on the OKX app. So guys, I will leave this in the description. XRP is the 4th coin now listed for their dual investment project. If you guys are in fact interested in that, want to keep moving though, because Eggrag Crypto has observed something else that is getting me really excited about XRP and how price is going to move vis-a-vis other coins. Guys, this has to do with XRP dominance. Yes, the XRP-D chart. Now, what he has observed here, he highlights here almost like a table of contents here. He looks at all these different factors, okay? Taking a look at this in a tweet thread. As you guys can see, just taking a quick glance here, XRP dominance did rise and we found that XRP did reach highs at these times. Dominance did lead up over 20%, XRP dominance, I should clarify, in 2015, and then in 2017, up over 31%. And now what he's assuming is that it's going to go somewhere in between 27%, give or take, just based on what we are seeing in the chart. So where is this going to bring XRP? First, he starts off XRP market dominance chart. The white triangular formation is somehow a symmetrical triangle. As I was mentioning at the top of this video, guys, by Cryptomaniac here, large symmetrical triangle over the long term. But he's looking at dominance here. Okay, so percentage breakout 1, 54% breakout to the upside, 2, 46% breakout to the downside, having 27.5% based on the total market cap in dollars. So you guys can see that the figures are down there. $3 trillion. So if we were to assume the total market cap was $3 trillion, that would equal a market cap for XRP at about $825 billion. If we go to $10 trillion, though, the XRP market cap specifically would be $2.75 trillion. Now, these are extraordinary numbers, but we got to assume, this is going to be when the market is fully blown out. RSI is still forming HLs and bounced from the trend line, identifying an uptrend. So he's taking a look at the RSI. The general trend of the RSI is still intact, and it's around 40, which is neither overbought above 70 nor oversold below 30, but more trending to upside territory. So you guys can see that. We can see the trend to the upside. So RSI looking pretty good. The MACD also, bullish cross is coming. MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross. MACD can spot potential reversals when used in conjunction with support and resistance to find price points where the trend might change direction. XRP dominance on a critical support level, guys. We are seeing it down in here. MACD looking to change patterns, looking to move to the upside. Number 4, the Stochh, RSI, bullish cross. It's clear that we are seeing it in oversold territory and heading up. This bullish cross in the MACD with the positioning of the RSI level around 40 provides an excellent launch pad to move towards the oversold territory. So again, target 1 and 2, just following that pattern. All these indicators are looking to check out. ADX, the average directional index. ADX is a leading indicator. It reveals strength of the trend. Combination of the ADX and the RSI provides an excellent indication. ADX measures intensity of the trend, and RSI signals the entries and exits by giving a time-based component to the trend. So really getting down to the nitty-gritty here, taking a look at all these different indicators and really kind of pinpointing the chances of this thing really moving to the upside. So we got the bullish cross here, light blue crossing, the light pinkish from the bottom to the top, and the light pink crossing from the light blue from the top to the bottom. So another indicator there. We also have the average sentiment oscillator. Depth of market volatility is high. Strength and weakness of the trend is strong. Indicates a market trend, bullish cross. D, the level of stability to project possible trend of a price movement. Price stable for almost 4 months now. So that is the other thing. We tend to see these crosses. This is called alligator jaw, and it will be closing soon. When the light blue line crosses the light pink line from the bottom to the top, it is a bullish cross. So we're waiting for that time to happen. We don't really know how long it's going to take. If you guys can see down here, some of these have taken a lot longer than others, especially when they go higher on the scale. However, that is likely going to mean a big move. We also have the wave trend cross. WT, or wave trend, is the most effective indicator in identifying swings. It's an excellent tool to implement in a volatile market. It is known as market cipher. It's a lagging indicator, therefore curvature will shift to the bullish. So we got another one here, and that is lagging, so we can't really glean anything from it for now, but it is something to be paying attention to. Then we got the Gaussian channel, the GC, best used on the 5D TF, but for the sake of coherence in this thread, I will use the 1 week TF. 5D is showing a potential bottom from the low end of the channel to the 1 week. Still has room to drop. However, GC is a lagging indicator as well. So another lagging. William percentage R, okay, this is a momentum indicator that is the inverse of the fast stochastic oscillator. It is calculated based on price, typically over the last 14 periods. So 14 times 1 week or 7 days. Duration is 98 days. We are near oversold territory and shall be moving to the upside soon. So, a lot of these indicators are just demonstrating the same thing that, based on historic trends and based on what we've seen in the past, XRP very oversold at this moment in time, and that we are poised for a move to the upside. So Traders Dynamic Index Indicator, this is the TDIALT. Okay, it's an all-in-one trading strategy. It is based on RSI, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands. This is a good one. The bullish cross are clean and indicative. When the cross happens and keeps on moving above the white line, it is bullish, guys. So taking into account a handful of different indicators. And I mean, I don't usually get this technical on my charts. However, this is good to see. We got people in the XRP community really diving deep into this. So the bullish cross is likely to happen here once we finally see that crossover. And so just to reiterate, Greg Crypto here says in brief, we've got the chart, which is bullish. RSI is bullish. The MACD is bullish. The stochastic RSI bullish. ADX semi-bullish. The ASO bullish AF. The WT cross semi-bullish. The GC semi-bullish. The William percentage R bullish AF. And the TDI ALT is bullish AF as well. So when you take all these into consideration, and this is one thing that I learned from my trading class, the more indicators you use, the better it is to predict an outcome, especially when you're looking at timed events. So Greg Crypto here is bullish AF. Of course, I do not doubt that we are primed for a 27+% increase in XRP dominance compared to the rest of the market. Even if I were to just bring that up here on the chart, 27 from today would bring us up, let me just take that off auto here, guys, and I can show you guys where 27, give or take, would bring us right in and around here at about 1,359%, an increase of XRP. Now, that would be compared to the rest of the market. Now, I mean, if all things stay the same, that would bring XRP price up to, not a huge price. I mean, I'm going to be honest here, that would only bring it up to about, what would it be? It would only be about $5 and change, give or take, which totally lines up here with this original Fibonacci. I mean, we were taking a look at this triangle pattern, the broader picture here. It would bring us up to the 1.618, roughly, give or take here. But guys, let's not forget, this is all things considered. If the market cap stays the same, here's the total market on the daily. This market is certainly not going to stay at $1 trillion. We saw a high already of $3 trillion. Will we get up beyond $3 trillion? Could we hit $10 trillion in the next bull run? I certainly think we can, but that's just my opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.